Police Training Center in Comoro, the Migration Service is hosting a Regional Information Liaison and Outreach Network, or RILON, training. The workshop brings together speakers from Australia, Indonesia, and Bangladesh, along with participants from key areas such as law enforcement, Border Control Unit, Maritime Control Unit, Airport Customs, Immigration, and Police Forces of Timor-Leste, to strengthen cooperation in risk assessment and information sharing aimed at countering irregular migration and maritime people smuggling in Timor-Leste and across the region. RILON's key objective is facilitating timely, secure, and actionable information sharing among member countries, contributing to capacity-building activities aligned with Bali process priorities, as well as strengthening regional leadership, communication, and analytical capabilities, as well as share best practices approaches to manage irregular migration and countering maritime people smuggling.
It is an honor to co-host this training together with the RSU and all RILON secondis and representatives from Australia, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Timor-Leste. Your presence here reflects a strong and shared commitment to addressing one of the region's most complex and evolving challenges. Irregular migration across the Asian Pacific remains persistent, multifaceted, and increasingly sophisticated, particularly along the maritime routes. Criminal networks continue to adapt, exploiting geographic gaps in coordination and vulnerabilities in our system. At the same time, we are witnessing rising human costs with thousands and undertaking dangerous journeys across the endangered sea and bay of Bangkok this year. Despite sustained efforts, one of the most consistent challenges identified is not a lack of commitment, but lack of timely trust and actionable information sharing. The RILON initiative, it is preciously in response to today's needs that the Regional Information Liaison and Outreach Network initiative on the RILON initiative has been developed.
The training is expected to enhance regional collaboration, improve the exchange of intelligence and best practices, and strengthen the capacity of migration authorities to respond more effectively to cross-border migration challenges. The initiative also reflects the importance of international partnerships in promoting border security while ensuring safe and orderly migration.